Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy Learning with Santosh. Today's video is about one of the most important tasks for any SQL Server DBA, taking a database backup. So I will show you both the graphical way using SSMS and how to do it using T-SQL. So let's get started. What is a database backup? A database backup is a copy of your data that you can use to restore your database in case of any failure, corruption, or accidental deletion. SQL Server supports multiple types of backups, but today we will focus on the most basic and the most important one, the full backup. A full backup, as the name implies, backup everything. It is the foundation of any kind of backup. This is the complete copy which stores all the objects of the database. A full backup creates a complete backup of the database as well as the part of transactional log, so the database can be recovered. This allows for the simplest form of the database restoration, since all the contents and contained in one single backup. A full database must be done at least once before any of the other type of backups can be run. This is the foundation of every other kind of backup. So now we can see how to full backup internally working. Internal of full backup. How it is working? So first checkpoint is occurred. First checkpoint is occur. Then it takes all the MDF and LDF file backup. Then it take backup of MDF and LDF. Then next step is it read the committed data and then write the backup. It read committed data and write backup. Okay, the next step. Then what is the next? Then mark the min LSN and max LSN. Then marks min LSN. LSNs means log sequences, log sequence number. Then mark min LSN and max LSN. What about next? If they have marked min LSN and RFM. So these are the steps in which full database full backup is working internally. So now we can see how to give the full database backup using the SSMS. So I have give the full database backup of CKYC database. So go to the CKYC database, right click on that, then go to this task, click on the backup. It will take some time. Yeah, the backup window is open. So in that we have checked database name CKYC, backup type. Make sure the backup type is full. We can select other type of backup, but in this video we will see the full backup. So select full backup, and all settings are kept in the default. So in the media option we have some settings, then backup options we have some settings. So now we have take as a default. So in this next we have choose the location and the name for the backup. We have select disk. When you have where you have create the backup, so choose this location. For example, I have created one folder, his name is backup. I have selected this folder and selected part C, backup, file of types, backup files, file name CKYC, full. Okay, I have given this destination of the backup and click OK. The backup of database CKYC completed successfully. So now check, we have checked our database backup is completed or not. Go to the backup folder, and this is the our CKYC full database backup. So this is the one way we have give the full database backup using the GUI method. So now we second method. T-SQL script. So now give the so now we can see how to give the full database backup using T-SQL. So in full database backup, I have we have some T-SQL query like backup database name CKYC, 2 disk, database 2 disk, destination path which we have create database. So I have give this destination backup, CKYC full backup. with stats equal to 5. So we have used this option when the backup is completed. So with the help of stats we can easily show the percentage of backup completed. So I have run this query. See, backup database successfully proceed of CKYC. So now you can we can check our second backup, second type, yeah, CKYC full backup. So these are the two methods we have give the full database backup. So always check the backup file path exists and SQL Server has a permission to write here. So next there are some types of backups. In this video we have a quick overview of the backup types in SQL Server. Types of backup. First is full, second one is the differential, and third one is the transactional log backup.
Incoming voice call from Shu is on SIM SIM1.
These are the three type of backups. So we will cover this in upcoming videos. So there are some best practices which we have follow while backups. Store backups on the separate drive or networks. Then automate backups with SQL agent jobs. Then regularly test your backups by restoring. Then monitor backup size and types. These are the some best practices to follow while we have taking the backup. And that how you take a full backup in SQL Server. Backup are your first line of defense against the data loss, so take them seriously. Like this video if it is helped you, and subscribe for more DBA tutorials. Comment below if you want to a video on log backup or the restore process next. So see you in the next one.